Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can build a lesson for your classes on Eduaide AI. So let us guide you through it. So let me close that example lesson here by clicking into this button. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to Eduaide AI and after that click into generator here. Next, select the lesson builder in the top left corner. And after that, select one of these lesson types like activities, engagement activities, or assessment measures, a unit plan, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let us go with this engagement activity for the sake of this tutorial. So below you will see that communication panel with the artificial intelligence. So here you may enter your prompt so that Eduaide AI may help you create a lesson based on the type you selected and also on your input prompt. So let us go for an example like modern history of Spain and its contribution to European culture. Below guys, you may, for example, select the reading level for your audience or for your students. I will leave it at that here. You will see the maximum characters for prompts here, which is 2000. And yeah, once you're ready, simply click into that generate button and let Eduaide AI create your lesson in the selected lesson type for you here. You will see the progress circle loading here. And there you go. So we see it here live with a couple of examples with questions, tasks for your students. So that's basically it guys. Now you can, for example, add that lesson to your class. Let me close it. And to do that, navigate to your history in the top left corner. And here you will see all lessons divided into classes. So you may select, for example, a class from that drop-down menu. Let me go with all classes. And after that, guys, you may, for example, see your lesson here, which is in this case here, that one. We created it just a moment ago, and assign a class to it by clicking into that drop-down menu. And let me go with that class here. Now the content has been moved to that class. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you create a lesson on Eduaide AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.